Today we are reviewing and testing out the Dollar Tree cleaning paste. Now, to me, at $1.25, this is the imitation of the cleaning paste you could get by Scrub Daddy or the pink stuff. So we're going to compare to the name brands and see how well it performs. So we're going to start with our stove. Obviously, this has a lot of cooked on grease. Right there on the front, we're going to apply the cleaner. We're going to let it soak. We're going to see how well it can remove the baked on grease. Again, this is a multi-purpose cleaning paste. This is what it looks like. It's got a citrusy smell to it. So it looks it's like a really light pink color, so I layered it on really well. We're going to let it have some dwell time. Then I'm going to remove the aluminum foil out of my stove that's gotten dirty. I know a lot of people use stove liners now, but I just use the old-fashioned way that my mom did, and I'm just going to take the old aluminum foil out, replace it with some fresh aluminum foil, and after we have let the cleaner dwell for a while, then we're going to take our scrubber and we're going to go from there. I'm also going to put the cleaning paste on my smooth top stove, and I've tried different cleaners to see what performs the best and what cleans the best. I've made several videos about this on my channel. So I'm going to apply this cleaning paste, and then I'm going to let it sit there for a little while. And now you see it applied, and I've scrubbed the eyes that I use the most, and it's on the oven door. Fresh aluminum foil. I'm going to let it set before I take my scrubber and get its cleaning time in. And then we're going to see how well it is at lifting that cooked on grease. Okay, so now you see me taking my Scrub Daddy, and I am softening that soap up. And I am trying to see how well this has done by sitting here and doing its job. So I'm just taking it along the outside of the stove, the inner ring here, down along the sides, especially on that glass. And then on this smooth top as well, that gets a lot of the cooked in. Then I'm going to make sure I go over that a few times. And then I'm going to take a dish towel. And then I'm going to start the process of removing all of this. Once I have went over this a few times, I just want to make sure that I am getting that cleaner down into that grease before I did remove all of this. And then I'm just taking the hand towel and I'm just removing it off my smooth top stove and on the corners there. And then I'm going to take it on my glass door as well, my stove glass door. And then I'm going to do the same thing after we finish with this section and see how well it performed on both areas. So this is a smooth top. It is not perfect by any means. It doesn't look brand new, but for $1.25, it performs just as well as the cleaning paste that cost a couple bucks more, in my opinion. So it is worth it as opposed to spending the same amount, getting the same result, spending more money. So this is the oven door. I'm just taking the towel and I'm removing that soap and seeing what my end result is after I scrubbed it down and let it sit there for a while. And again, same thing here. It's not perfect. It doesn't look brand new. But I'm going to show you some before and after photos at the end of this video. And you're going to see that it did lift a lot of that cooked on grime. So for $1.25, yes, I do think it's worth it. Now moving on to the pots and pans. I received this December 2022. And it's had a lot of hard use, the frying pan. You see a lot of cooked on grime here. So I'm going to apply the cleaning paste to this. This is just where I think paint has come off of the saucepan. But I'm going to try it on that anyway, but my focus is on this frying pan. So I'm going to apply it, and you see it here. I'm letting it have its dwell time, the same as I did with the oven. And then I'm going to use my Scrub Daddy, and then I'm going to go soften it up after it's sat there for a little while. And I'm going to see how well it raised that grease. And you can see here, this is the second segment. And I removed it. So again, not perfect, doesn't look brand new, but you will see some before and after photos that I posted that it did lift a lot of that off. So maybe after a couple more tries, it will look a lot better. but it didn't do anything here because I think it's just the paint that come off of that. But here it did lift a lot of that cooked on grime. You will see that in the photos that I'm going to show you. That is the multi-purpose cleaning paste from Dollar Tree for $1.25. This is the before and after. From the left to the right. The left is the before, the right is the after. So you can see how well that cleaned that up. Not perfect, but it did a great job. So thank you for watching the video. If you like what you've seen, please hit that like button and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.